Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kalesgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmani. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 6. Lesson name is WordPad. In that we discussed how to open the WordPad. Right? Next, component of the WordPad. What is the use of this component? And in within there are only two tabs. What is the name of this tab or menus? Yes, home menu and view menu. That also we discussed. Now we will see here about the home menu and view menu in shortly. What is the use of home menu? What is the use of home menu? By using home menu, we can change the font size, font color, font style, and we can change alignment also. We can add picture, we can add drawing, we can add date and time, we can insert aspect also. We can find, replace and select all. These all are in a which menu? Home menu. And we can do cut also, copy also and paste also. But where it is? Good. It is in also which menu? Home menu or home tab also we can call. Now next one is a view menu. What is the use of this view tab? By using the view tab, we can zoom in the page, zoom out the page, and we can see the ruler, we can see the status bar. If it is tick, means we can see. If we remove this tick, means we cannot see this ruler also and status bar also. Got it? About the home menu and about the view menu. Now we will see next part. Open page number 38 up to home menu, up to here finish. What is the use of copy, what is the use of cut and what is the use of paste. The combination of cut and paste means what? Cut and paste means move. It is cut from one place and paste means it will go to the another place. And the combination of copy and paste means what? We can do more than one copy of this selected text. Means we can do duplication of duplicate the selected text within the document or outside the document also. Next one is to select the text, means for each and everything. Suppose we want to give the any effect, means for change the font style, font size. If you want to give the bold effect, underline effect, if you want to do copy paste, for each and everything we must have to select the text or sentence. Then how to select this text or sentence we will see here. To select the text, to use the option like cut and copy, it is important to select the text. However, there are different ways to select the text. Now we will see how to select the text. To select a word, double click on the word in quick session. We will see here. Start all program, then accessories and then WordPad. These are two words. Air is another word and position is another word. Right? Now suppose we want to select only one single word. Then how to select it? To select a word, double click on the word in quick session. Suppose we want to select this word, then double click. Continuously 2 times click. By using mouse, which button? Good, left button. Then this word will be select. Now we will see one more time how to select the single word. Take the cursor here and 2 times press the mouse left button, but continuously press the button. Now next one is how to select the single word. Now we will see to select a few lines of text, how to select the more than 2 lines. Now we discuss how to select only single word. Now we will see how to select if there are more than 2 lines or more than 1 line, how to select that one line at a time. Place the cursor before the first letter. What is this? Place the cursor before the first letter of the word or paragraph you want to select, and then click and drag the mouse over the text. The selected text is always highlighted on the screen. Air pollution. Now we want to select these 2 words or more than 2 words at a time. How to select a single word? Press the cursor here and continuously double click. Then single word will be select. Now we want to select this both word also at a time. How to select it? From here to up to here we want to select it. Then what we must have to do? We must have to take a cursor before A. Why before A? Because we want to select this word and this word, right? Then take the cursor here, means from before the first letter. Take the cursor before the first letter and then press the mouse left button continuously. You can see the effect. When I move the mouse, then and then it will be select, and drag the mouse. It is selected. Got it? We will see one more time how to select word. Only double click, then word will be select. Now we want to select more than 1 word or more than 1 sentence. Then how to select? Place the cursor where before the first letter. Then press the mouse and drag the mouse and leave the mouse. Understand how to select the text? Now step 2, cut text. How to cut the text? Step 2, cut text. Cut means what? Move. Means when we do cut, we can see this word or sentence before on its place. Step 2, cut text. How to cut? For example, cut the first paragraph of air pollution. Select the text you want to cut using the cursor. Then click on the home menu and select the cut option. You will see here. This is paragraph of air pollution, and suppose we want to cut this first line. How to cut this first line? We want to cut from here to here. Then we must have to place the cursor before the first word before the first word. That's why my cursor is here. You can see here my cursor is here. And how to select the line? Take the cursor here and press the mouse left button and drag it. It select. Now where is the home menu? Here is the home menu. Here is the home menu. And then where is the cut option? Cut. Then it is copy and it is paste. Cut, copy, paste. Okay, we want to cut here this line, then it is cut, copy, paste. Here it is in home menu and it is view menu. In home menu, then we must have to cut it. We want to cut it, then how to cut? Press, move the mouse to the cut option. What happened? What we cut, it is deleted from that place. It is deleted from that place. Then afterwards, if you want there what we deleted here, then take the cursor here and then paste. Okay, now next one. Similarly, copy option is used to copy text to another location without retyping. How to copy it? Step 2, copy text. How to copy the text? Means suppose we write this one time and we want this same on the another page. We want this same on the another page. How to take it? How to take it in another page? Select the text that you want to copy using the cursor and then click on the home menu and select the copy option. Suppose we want to select this all. How to select this all? Good. In editing there are three options, three menus which are the find, replace and select all. We want to select all, then click on the select all. Then we want to do the duplicate of this same writing. Then copy. Where is the new file? How to take a new file? Click on the word button and new. This is the new document. It is our new document and we want this all here. Then how to take? Then click on the paste. Okay? Okay? It is a new document and you can see I not use here any keyboard key, but my writing is finished. Why? Because of only which option? Copy option. It is in ABC file also and it is in new document also. You can see here it is document and before that we give a name ABC, means same copy as it is we can do without any removing or erasing by using which option? Copy and paste option. But cut means what? It is deleted from one place and we can take it to another place. Everyone clear about the difference between copy and paste? step to paste the cut or copied text. How to paste? Yes, loudly. How to paste? Firstly, select it, and after copy option also we can use the paste option, and by using cut option also we can use the paste option. Means cut paste is useful for the move the text or selected area, and copy paste means it is useful for do the duplication of the selected area. We will see one more time use of the copy. It is in same file. Okay, select it. How to select it? Place the cursor before the first word and drag the mouse and then copy. Where is my cursor? Here. Now paste. You can see here, it is here also and here also. Okay, and what is meant by cut? It will be remove. It will be move. Now what is it? After you have used the cut option, click on the area where you want to paste it, the text, and click on the home menu and select the paste option to paste the cut text. Similarly, for the copy option also, step to copy text, select the text that you want to copy using the cursor, and then next step is click on the home menu and select the copy option, and paste special paste linking information between different document, and select all the text in the document. What is the use of select all? Now we have seen for select the all document. Next is formatting in WordPad. How to format the text in WordPad. Formatting refers to how the text in your document is presented. The tools on the ribbon below the title bar are used to enhance the visual display of the text. For example, you want to change the font size and color the text as required. You can align the text to left, right and center. Formatting the text in WordPad. How to format? Which option is useful for formatting the text? Yes, ribbon option is useful for formatting the text. Which options having in ribbon? Yes, which are there? We can change the font size, font style, and if you want to give color to the font also and to the background color also, then also we can give. Next, we can change the alignment also. Which alignment we can change? The given of written text we can give to the left alignment, right alignment also and center alignment also. What is mean by left alignment? Means all the document is as a left side. Right side means all document what we write in the WordPad is it displayed as a right side, and center alignment means it is in a center. To format any text, what is the important step if you want to format any text, what is the important step? Good. We must have to select the text or sentence where we want to do this effect. To select a single word, how to select a single word? Yes. Place the cursor on the word and double click it. How to select a word? Press the cursor on the word and double click it. Next one is to select a line, sentence or paragraph. How to select one single line, sentence or paragraph? Click the mouse before the first word of the text to be selected and drag till the end of the text towards the right. Now you can format any text that has been selected. You will see here how to select single word. Press the mouse cursor here and double click. And how to select this full area, means from here to here. How to select? It is first letter, then before the first word, press the cursor here and then press the mouse left button and drag the cursor. Then this full area will be select, and then we can change any effect, means we can change the font size, font style or font color also. Otherwise, if you want to change the alignment also, then also we can change the alignment. Now next one is, you can change the size of font. We can change the size of font. We can make it bold, we can make it italic or underline, and also move or copy text from one location to another. Now in that, firstly we will see how to make a text bold. How to make text bold. Firstly, for each and every effect we must have to select. Suppose we want this as a bold, then place the cursor here and select it. And where is the bold option? In ribbon. In ribbon it is bold. Bold means what? It will become a dark. Bold means what? It will become a dark. Now we can we can increase the size. How to increase the size? Press the cursor here. It is title, then we will increase the size of this title, then select this and increase the size. Got it? It is bold and it is not bold. What is the difference in that? Bold and not bold means it will become a little bit dark. You can see the changes. It is bold effect and this text doesn't have a bold effect. Now next one is how to underline the heading air pollution. Suppose we want to underline here. How to underline? How to underline the selected text. How to select it? We want to underline this. This is more than one word. Then how to select? Select a single word. What we are using? We are using the double click option. But now there are more than two words. More than two words. Then how to select it? Yes, good. Firstly, take the cursor before the A and then press the mouse continuously and drag. Then which effect we must have to give? We want to give the underline effect. Where is the underline? In ribbon. Then move the cursor and select the option. For selection also which button we have to use? Mouse left button. Then click one time only. Then you can see the change. Now we will see how to change the font style. Select it and change the font size. From where? These are the font style option, font family. Now next one is make the text italicized. What is meant by italicized? We will see here. We will give italicized effect to this line. How to give? It is one single word? No. Then how to select more than one word? Press the cursor before the first word and then drag the cursor and give the effect. Which effect we want now? Italic. It is I means italic. Then take the cursor on the I and then select it. For selection what we must have to do? Only click the mouse left button. Then you can see it is which effect? It is underline effect, it is bold effect and it is italic effect. These are the different effect. You can see here which effect it is? Underline effect. Next one is a bold effect. Next one is italic effect. Got it? How to do bold, italic and underline. Now we will see how to change the font color. We will change color of these two lines. These are more than one words. That's why press the cursor and drag it. These are different colors and we can choose any color. We will take this color. Which effect it is? First one, air pollution. Which effect? Loudly. Which effect it is? Good. Underline. Next one is each and everyone give answer. Next one effect is good. Bold effect. Next one is italic effect. Good. And last one is we change the font color. Now we will change the alignment. How to change the alignment? Firstly we must have to select this all. How to select all? It is select all option. Then now it is which alignment? It is left alignment. We will change to the right alignment. Got it? Left to right. Now suppose we want this as a center. Then select all and center. Okay? Air pollution. Anyone having doubt? Now you can see on your textbook page number 43 you having 5 questions. Try to find the answer of this question. Now what is the first one question? Write the step to open WordPad. Give answer fast. Write the step to open the WordPad. Yes, good. Click on the start button. Where is the start button? On the taskbar. Click on the start button, then all program, then accessories and then WordPad. Now next one, how can we select the text to format or edit it. Means how we can select the text, a single text, how we can select. For select a single word, we must have to double click on that word. And suppose we want to select a single line, paragraph, then how to select it? Press the cursor or place the cursor before the first word and then drag the mouse toward the end. Next one is, what is the function of B on the home menu? What is the use of B? B is useful for bold a word. What is the function of this? Which alignment it is? See everyone, fourth number question. What is the function of which alignment it is? Yes, left alignment on the home menu. What is the function of this left alignment? Find it and write the step to copy and paste the text. How to copy and paste the text? How to copy and paste? For each and everything we must have to select and then press on the copy and afterward press the click. Afterwards place the paste option. And where is the copy and paste option? In the home menu. Copy and paste. Now what is the homework for you? Try to find out the answer of these. Try to find out the answers of these questions and read the lesson and underline the hard words. Thank you.